Which safety first Grow and Go car seat is actually worth your money? It's a pretty simple question, but finding the right one isn't always easy. Today, I'm breaking down the best options so you know exactly what to look for. Product number 1: Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Alaskan Blue. First up is the Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Convertible Car Seat in Alaskan Blue, priced at $159.99. What caught my attention is its 3-stage functionality. It's a rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster seat all in one. If you want a car seat that truly grows with your child, this is worth a serious look. This car seat is designed to accommodate children from 5 to 100 pounds, and that's a huge deal for parents who want long-term use. The quick-fit harness is a standout feature, allowing you to easily adjust the harness and headrest in one motion. You won't be struggling to get your child in and out, which is a huge plus when you're in a rush. Plus, it's engineered to meet federal safety standards, giving you peace of mind. Now let's talk about cleaning. The seat pad is washer and dryer safe and has snaps that make it super easy to remove. And it even comes with 2 dishwasher safe cup holders, which honestly surprised me. But here's the thing, some users mention that the seat can be a bit bulky in smaller cars. While that can be an issue for compact vehicles, if you have a larger car, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a car seat that will last through multiple stages of your child's growth. Skip this one if you have a smaller vehicle where space is a concern. At $159.99, it offers solid value for a 3-in-1 seat. Now, if that bulkiness bothered you, the next one might actually be a better fit for tighter spaces. Product number 2: Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Vineyard Girl. Next up is the Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Convertible Car Seat in Vineyard Girl, also priced at $159.99. It shares similar features with the previous model, and its stylish design caught my eye. If you're looking for something a bit more visually appealing without sacrificing safety, this is worth considering. Just like the Alaskan Blue model, it supports children from 5 to 100 pounds and features the quick-fit harness, making adjustments super easy. The seat pad is also machine washable and dryer safe, which is a must-have for busy parents. And let's not forget the 2 cup holders, they're great for snacks or drinks on the go. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ease of cleaning and convenience features can save you a lot of headaches. However, I did find that some users reported the seat being a bit difficult to install at times. While that could be an issue for some, once it's in, it's generally secure and reliable. If you're not a DIY expert, you might want to watch a couple of installation videos. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional car seat that supports growth. Skip this one if you need something very easy to install right out of the box. The value here is solid at $159.99. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might be even better for those who are tight on space. Product number 3: Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Black Phantom. The next option is the Grow and Go All-in-One Slim Convertible Car Seat in Black Phantom for $153.99. It's got that sleek black design that fits in just about any car, and it caught my eye for its compactness. If you're looking for a blend of safety and style, let's see if this one checks those boxes for you. This model has the same 3-in-1 functionality, supporting weights from 5 to 100 pounds and the quick-fit harness for easy adjustments. The fact that it meets federal safety standards is reassuring, especially for safety-conscious parents. Here's why this matters. Having a reliable car seat means you're investing in your child's safety. One downside, some parents mention that the seat can feel a bit cramped for larger toddlers, especially as they transition from rear-facing to forward-facing. If your child is on the larger side or you expect them to grow quickly, this could be something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you need a compact seat that still offers great functionality. Skip this one if you have a larger child that might need more room. For $153.99, it's a solid choice. Next up, if you're looking for something more than just a car seat, you'll want to check out this next product. Product number 4: Grow and Go Flex 8-in-1 Stroller Combo. Now let's talk about the Grow and Go Flex 8-in-1 car seat stroller combo priced at $284.99. This one's a bit of an investment, but it offers a lot of versatility. If you want a product that combines both a stroller and a car seat, this is worth your time. The 8 different configurations this combo offers can fit just about any scenario you need when you're out with your little one. It includes a rear-facing infant car seat that supports kids from 4 to 30 pounds, making it perfect for newborns. The extra-large storage basket is also a huge plus for parents who need space for diaper bags and snacks. However, some users pointed out that it can be bulky when folded, which might be a hassle if you have limited trunk space. But here's the thing, if you're using it mainly for trips around town, that bulkiness may not be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile car seat and stroller combo that caters to your growing child. Skip this one if you need something lightweight that's easy to fold away. At $284.99, it's a good value for the features it offers. Finally, if you want something specifically designed for older kids, you have to see this last product. Product number 5, Grow and Go 2-in-1 Booster Black Sand. Last on the list is the Grow and Go 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat with Comfort Wings, retailing for $83.99. This one's designed for older kids, which is why it caught my attention. If you're transitioning from a high back to a backless booster, this is definitely worth considering. The Comfort Wings design is fantastic, allowing the backrest to expand as your child grows. It's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to move between vehicles. Plus, the 10-position adjustable headrest adapts to your child's height, which is a crucial feature for growing kids. Here's why this matters. A proper fit means your child will be safer and more comfortable during car rides. However, some parents mention that the seat can be a bit narrow, which might be uncomfortable for larger kids. While this is something to consider, the price point of $83.99 makes it a great budget-friendly option. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable booster for a growing child. Skip this one if your child needs more space to be comfortable. For the price, it delivers solid value for safety and comfort. So there you have it, 5 great safety-first Grow and Go options. From all-in-one car seats to versatile stroller combos, there's something for every need. Remember, safety and comfort are key, so weigh your options carefully.